It's Dirty Dan the Man, and we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna do Apple CarPlay in my sister-in-law's car, and this is a Kia, a 2015 Kia. So we're gonna get straight to it and show you guys how to do it, because it seems like it's a big process, but we're gonna do it right now. So we're gonna start by removing this panel right here, and it's just held on by clips. So you're gonna be careful and take it off with this. And there's gonna be one screw here, two screws there, and we're gonna bring this down. And then there's gonna be one screw here and another screw back there. All right, so you're gonna take out, basically you're taking off all this panel just to get to the screws around the cluster. There, you're gonna be taking off this stereo. So it's a lot of work, but it's pretty easy. So you're gonna remove all this. It's all with clips. Make sure that you don't break any of the clips. After, you're gonna be removing this. And then, can't do it at one hand, but this is gonna get removed. So to remove this panel, it was gonna have one screw here and one down there, just to remove this, to make sure you don't just pull it out, because I was just pulling it out. But make sure you don't do that. There's two of them there, here, and here. Just make sure you know where you're putting everything. So just that, remember just to take that out. Right here, where you guys see me putting this, you guys are gonna start from the bottom and pull this out. So yeah, we're gonna start removing this. There we go. Now we have that piece off. So now we're gonna remove the AC control unit. So it's gonna be one screw here, another one down here, another one here, here, and here. And we're gonna pull this out, and then we'll do this. So for this, after you take that off, you're gonna have to pop it out. Make sure everything doesn't fall, everything fell here. Make sure it's empty when you take it out. Alright, so after, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way to this side, just to remove this. And that's gonna put the instrument cluster this way, and then we can swap out everything to the Apple CarPlay. So yeah, let's begin doing that. Alright, as you guys see, this has to unclip from the cluster, and then we're going to remove all this into the new screen. So we're going to pass the vents and all that, and make sure you guys don't break anything once again, and then we'll begin the process right now. So I think I'm going to remove the screen first, and then so we took the screws off, and I think this, yeah, see, it just comes out like that. And we're going to be disconnecting the back. Show you guys the back real quick. Right here, there's going to be 4 clips. You're going to pop them out with a pry tool, 4 on the same side. So we're going to do that right now. There's 4 right here. So let me get to doing that. Alright guys, so now I'm just plugging everything back in. I know so this one is not going to have a backup camera. I thought it did, but it doesn't come with one. So I'm just going to connect the things in there for the time being. But everything already is in its place. I'm just doing the back connections right now. So I'm doing, you don't really need these, but I did connect the microphone. And then I'm guessing this one would be for a backup camera if we ever decide to put one on. But for now, we're not. And these are going to be the USBs, the antenna for the GPS, and that's pretty much it. So let's connect all that and we'll turn it on to see if it works, and then put everything back together. All right, let's go to start it. Oh damn. It takes a little while. I got a little scare right there. It is going to take a while. But there we go. Guys, as you see, I connected my Bluetooth already. Bluetooth is on. It's wireless here. I don't know why the Porsche is not working wireless right now, but this was easy. You save yourself a ton of money if you don't want to pay anybody to do this. Make sure you know you're calm and whatever, and don't try to rush anything because you're gonna start breaking some clips. But everything is on there. I ran everything through the glove box, as you see, the USBs and all that. Everything's gonna be running through there. Microphone and the GPS box is gonna be, I'm gonna put it up into the windshield. Microphone, I'm gonna try to route it through here and connect it somewhere up here. So let me start putting everything back together and show you guys the ending product. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the finished product. Everything's put back together. Everything is done. It looks good. It was about 2 hours. I thought it was gonna be sooner, but it was 2 hours. Where's the key for this? So we didn't buy a backup camera for this one, so no backup camera. But starts right up now. Main menu. I gotta fix the time and all that still, so we'll do that. But it's connecting right away to Apple CarPlay. So but it sounds good, looks good. And it's a big upgrade from whatever you guys had before in a Kia. So this is only going to work for the Kia that has the vent like this, because one of them has the vent stuck to this, so you'll need a different one. So I think this is from 2013 to 2015. I'll make sure though, but this is what it looks like. So it looks good. Anyways, it's been Dirty Dan, and I'm out. Peace. In the lay at the condo, we bout to eat Maggiano. Helping the P out some beaming on narcos, thinking I should take the Bronco.